Hi everyone, welcome to Billionaire Mentor. In this video, I'll be sharing 15 business ideas for students. But before that, let me share one interesting story. During Max's first month of college, the professor gave him a pop quiz. He was a diligent student and had breezed through the questions until he read the last one. What is the first name of the woman who cleans the school? Surely this was some kind of joke, he thought. He had seen the cleaning woman several times. She was tall, dark-haired, and in her 50s or so. But how would he know her name? Max handed in his paper, leaving the last question blank. Just before class ended, one student asked if the last question would count toward the quiz grade. The professor replied, absolutely. In your careers, you will meet many people. All are significant. They each deserve your attention and care, even if all you do is smile and say hello. Max never forgot that lesson. He also learned her name was Catherine. Everyone in your life is everyone just like the people you give importance to. I have shared this story because most of us tend to see others as nothing, unknowingly that everyone counts for our survival. Learn to appreciate others. You never know who may end up giving you the best business idea. Now let me share these business ideas with you that I have prepared for this episode. Number 1. Sell books. Apart from profitable ideas I shared in the previous video, an additional way you can make money as a college student is to sell ebooks. Ebooks are books in soft copies and they can be downloaded online from any part of the world. There are numerous number of content ideas that you can write about, and of course there will be a ready market for such subjects. For example, let's say you know how to help your fellow student to get good grades, then write about that. Also, if you are good with graphics, you can write a book on how to create your own logo. There are tons of people out there that will be willing to pay for such a book. Ebooks are easy to make and cost-effective. In the meantime, from one ebook, you can continue to generate passive income as long as the information that it contains is accurate and useful. So grab your computer, open up Word software, and start typing now. Number 2. Sales of cakes. In the previous video, I gave you an experience that college students love to party. Now think of weddings, special anniversaries, and birthdays that are being done almost every day. What if you could offer this service? Making and selling cakes is another easy way to start a food retailing business that a college student can successfully launch while studying. If you know how to bake a cake, then you should consider launching a business that deals in cake. Number 3, buying and sell on eBay. As a college student who is looking towards making money online, you should consider going into buying and selling different goods on eBay. eBay is an internet platform that you can sell your stuff on. All you need to do is sign up for their services, abide by their policies in listing selling your products, and be extra careful when dealing with your clients. Number 4, open a beauty salon. Oh my gosh, I don't know if there is a typical college girl who doesn't want to look good. Girls could even sleep hungry but able to save money to get their hair done. In fact, beauty salon is another highly thriving and profitable business that a female college student should consider starting on campus. Reminding you, this type of business can be time-consuming. So if you want to successfully combine this type of business with your studies, then you should do all that it takes to strike a balance between them. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday are usually the best days for this type of business, so ensure that your weekends are free from college assignments. Number 5, open a barber shop. As mentioned earlier, not only girls love to look good on campus, young men too are obsessed with their look. They always want to look nice, but I guess with the aim of attracting their fellow young women. Anyway, with any intention in their mind of looking good, that's not bad. The point here is to find business opportunity of this type of person. So, another business that is highly thriving and profitable on campus is a barbershop, of course. If you are good at offering a nice haircut and you know you have time to spare in the evenings and the weekends, then you should consider opening a barbershop on campus. You can start by offering free services to famous students on campus, and in the end, everyone will need to look like these college celebrities. From then, you can start charging them money. Number 6, offer graphic services. There are so many college students who are talented and/or they're studying arts-related courses. So if you are one of them and you are good with graphics, then one of the businesses you should consider starting as a college student is graphic services. There are tons of people out there who are looking for graphic artists to contract their graphic jobs. You just have to be proactive and aggressive in marketing your services. One good thing about offering graphic services is that you can sign a long-term business deal with just one client, especially if you are good at what you do. For example, let's say you're pretty good at 3D animation. You can create 3D animation videos of college celebrities, local famous musicians with their songs. You can guarantee after several shorts and hard work, you will attract people looking for your service through which you can charge them money. Number 7, fitness trainer. College students love to look good. One of the criteria of a good-looking man and woman is being in good natural shape. Apart from that, our society too has made keeping fit a need, and many people are looking for ways to keep fit daily. In the meantime, with the lack of time, you find that many college students attend a gym class but would happily pay for a personal fitness coach to come to their dorms or their homes and train them. If you are someone who is passionate about sports, you can become a fitness trainer and earn decent income from it. The good thing about this is that you can earn money while becoming extremely fit too. Number 8, editing and proofreading business. Proofreaders ensure text matches an established style and voice. They check hyphenation and capitalization, make sure changes from previous versions have been made accurately, and sometimes check for grammatical errors. If you have an eye and mind that pays attention to details, love to read, and have experience with writing structured contents, perhaps starting your own proofreading business may be a great job while studying. The nature of this type of business makes it simple to work from home and for clients who are anywhere around the world. Among the best platforms that you should consider visiting includes freelancer.com, elance.com, odesk.com, and so many others you can search on Google. Number 9, become a ghostwriter. A ghostwriter is someone that writes copy-like articles, speeches, books, blog posts, email newsletters, web copy, and so on, but isn't credited for that work. The credit goes to your client or someone in that company or business that hired you. This means you cannot publicly share your client writing anywhere unless your ghostwriting client gives you permission. If you are a creative writer, then you can start your own online business as a ghostwriter. There are numerous numbers of people out there who are overdue to be an author of at least one book, but they can't because of their busy schedule. All you need to do is to collect their thoughts together and help them for a book or any other project they want. Number 10, repair computers and mobile phones. Do you have expertise and know how to repair computer or phones? With so many students owning laptops and smartphones, this can turn to be the best idea. So if you are serious about making money as a student, then you should be willing to go all the way to acquire skills that can help you generate passive income while studying. It is a highly thriving and profitable business idea indeed. Number 11, start your own social networking site. Mark Zuckerberg started Facebook as a student. The point that there are several big-time networking websites does not in any way stop you from starting your own social network site. It may take time before you start making money from the site, but through persistence, commitment, and hard work, you will start generating income from it. The only thing you need to do is to target the audience and to make it simple for you to attract people to the social networking site. For instance, you can start a social network site to connect entrepreneurs and investors together. Number 12, become a social media expert and manager. It's no doubt that college students spend much time on social media. Some of them have gone further by learning necessary techniques that help them reach more people within a short amount of time. By knowing that, if you have enough time and are good with various social media platforms, then you can start an online business managing social media for several business executives, politicians, government officials, pastors, celebrities, and public figures. One thing to keep in mind is that you must display some level of professionalism and expertise before you can be hired to manage social media pages for people. Again, you must be ready to strike a balance between your studies and business because it can take the majority of your time. Number 13, offer voiceover services. There are pretty talented students who do amazing job when they're given a microphone. As a college student, your good voice and excellent pronunciation is an asset. With it, you can generate extra income for as long as you're willing to work. It is very simple. All you need to do is to Google voiceover outsourcing jobs and you will see loads of them. As a voiceover actor, you can sign up with online freelancing platforms such as Fiverr or an advertising company, and they will help you secure voiceover jobs. Number 14, video editing services. Video editing is another thriving and profitable business that a college student can successfully run without affecting his or her studies. Although it is easier for people to post amateur videos on social media platforms these days and still get several likes, but if you are in a business of selling resource video materials, then you must endeavor to be professional with the videos you put up for sale. So, as a college student who has video editing skills, you can list your gigs on the internet and you can as well source your clients from the online community. Number 15, retailing of music and movies. I remember during my college period, the best things students could be asking each other were movies and music. Retailing of music and movies is another profitable business that a college student can successfully start while studying. There is indeed a large market for music and movies, and this market cut across people of different faith, race, and culture. In order to stay competitive in this industry, you must be involved in retailing music and movies in all platforms. That is, soft copies, downloads, and hard copies, CDs, and DVDs. Getting the best business ideas has never been easier, so I think we got you covered. Please hit that like button and leave us your comment about the best business idea that you're going to work on. Thanks for watching Billionaire Mentor. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content. We love you and stay safe.